Guys, what's up? It's your girl Aditi here. You know my channel is all about budget fashion and affordable fashion. I'm gonna talk about lingerie in today's video. So I picked up all of this amazing lingerie at just 70 rupees and 200 rupees each. And I'm not even kidding, I'm going to explain how it's all possible, how you can also shop like that. For all that, you have to watch my video completely till the end. Pay attention to every single word and sentence I say. Then you can also get such amazing deals for yourself as well. I got lingerie from shyaway.com. It's a very newly launched website. I haven't shopped actually from them at all. So I thought I'll give it a try and check for myself how the products are before giving it an honest review for you guys. Shyaway website in itself is running so many amazing offers. And if you're going to use Cash Karo while you shop at Shyaway, you're going to get more money saved. It's for real. So the deal here is if you're going to shop through Cash Karo on Shyaway website, you're going to get 250 rupees cash back on purchase worth 500 rupees, which means you just have to pay half the money of it. So 500 rupees product, you're gonna pay only 250 rupees for it, which is amazing, right? I'm gonna show you the products that I got, and then I'm gonna explain how you can buy it at such affordable price. Nice everyday t-shirt bra that you can actually wear it under t-shirt. Best part about this is everything is made of cotton. If you can see here, the inner material is cotton, the outer material is also cotton. The straps are cotton. The quality is really amazing and it's really soft. And I tried it on, it fits really amazing. It's kind of sturdy as well. I really love the model of it actually. So if you can see here, it has a beautiful lace pattern on it and the color is amazing. I love the color of it, and it's again 100% cotton, which is what I totally love about it. If you can see here, it's a cotton material. The inside is also cotton and it has got a little bit of underwire on it. This one doesn't have any underwire, but it gives a very good support and it's not padded. This is originally for 649 rupees as well. This is actually a full coverage one. I just got it just to see if it really works or not. It's quite big for me and I might have to exchange it. I really love the model of it. If you are on a heavier side, you can actually wear this. It's amazing. It fits really like a dream. And again, this was again originally by 649 rupees again. All three were 650 each, which means on the whole it will easily come for about 2000 rupees, which is normal for a bra. But I picked these up all three together just for 899 rupees because of the Shyaway offer that was running. These are the three bras that I actually got for just 899 rupees from shyaway.com. This is just Shyaway offer. But if you shop through Cash Karo, you are gonna get 250 rupees back because you are purchasing for about 500 or above. So 899 minus 250. So which means I am paying only 649 rupees for all three together. And 649 divided by 3 would be, it is just 216 rupees per bra, which is amazing, right? You won't get this quality bra for just 216 rupees just because you're shopping through Cash Karo. I'm gonna leave the link of the Cash Karo deal link on the description tab below, so you can just click on it and you can directly go through Cash Karo website and you can just shop like the way you normally shop, and you're going to get 250 rupees instantly credit to your account, which is again transferable to your bank account as well. So these are the 5 pieces that I picked up for 599 rupees from Shyaway. So I got some solid colors. Every single material is 100% cotton, which I really love. I'm going to show you the material of it. It's 100% cotton. It's stretchable and it's amazing. This one is a little bit printed, which I again totally like. Each of this cost actually 299 rupees. All 5 I just paid only 599 rupees. If I'm gonna shop through Cash Karo, you know that you're gonna get 250 rupees cash back, right? I already have to pay only 599 for 5 of these, and added to Cash Karo, I just have to pay 349 rupees for all 5 together. And if I'm going to divide, it's only 70 bucks for every single panty, which is amazing, right? You won't get this quality and this cute model and everything is of cotton at such affordable price. And you also can get such amazing and good quality lingerie at such affordable price. So for 1000 rupees, I just got 3 pairs of bras and 5 pairs of panties, and I'm going to get 500 rupees cash back onto my Cash Karo account, which I can actually transfer to my bank account. So I'm going to save 500 rupees for shopping all of these amazing stuff with already such amazing offer. I'm going to tell you how you can actually get this amazing deal using Cash Karo. You guys already know about Cash Karo and all my followers are actually using Cash Karo. I keep getting a lot of Instagram DMs about Cash Karo. I'm really happy that I gave you some amazing deal where you can also shop from it. If you're not one of them, I'm going to tell you what Cash Karo is. So Cash Karo is a cashback app. They have a website as well. So they have just partnered with big brands like Ajio, Flipkart, Amazon, and all of these amazing sites. Now when you shop through Cash Karo, you're going to get cashback for every single purchase of it. You just have to sign up with your email. So if you're going to click on the deal, it directly takes you to the visit retailer page That's it, as simple as it. That is actually all about how you shop from Cashkaro. Just shop as normal, just find the products, just add it onto your cart, check out the process, give your IDs, and that's it. Once your order is placed, automatically Cashkaro will track that you have shopped from their website, and they are going to give Cashkaro instantly credit into your Cashkaro account. Cashback works even if you are paying online or even you're going for COD option as well. As long as you shop through the Cashkaro link, you are going to get cashback. If you're not returning or exchanging, within 45 to 60 days, your cashback will be confirmed. The minute you buy, only the Cashkaro amount reflects on your Cashkaro account as my earnings. But my earnings will not be confirmed till the return period is lapsed, which means you cannot buy a product and return it and expect Cashkaro to give you cashback. After 30 to 45 days, the brand approves the cashback amount and you will be getting credited into your account. It's really simple. If you just get into Cashkaro website or app, you yourself will get to know, because everything is very neatly mentioned there. The layout is amazing. Or if you want any more doubt, I'm going to leave my other video links on the description tab as well, where I've completely given you the step-by-step process of using Cashkaro. You can easily watch that and get amazing deal with Cashkaro. And for all the new users that are watching my video, you're going to get 25 rupees sign-up bonus as well. So if you are a new user from Cashkaro and if you're following the link that I'm given in the description tab below, instantly you will get 25 rupees sign-up bonus in your account. But if you're an existing user, you will not get. So if you are a new user, make use of the opportunity and follow the link of the description tab below and sign up and get yours 25 rupees as an instant sign-up bonus. And then shop from Shyaway with the deal link that I've mentioned below. You're gonna get 2 free rupees cashback on purchase of every single product from Shyaway. And not just that, they have this deal running for every other brand as well, which time to time we can see from my video. And the best and amazing deal, I'm going to put it across as a video so you guys can get a reference as what product you can buy and how much money you can save through Cashkaro by seeing my video. Now the important points to remember is, if you are a new user, you are going to get sign up bonus of 25 rupees only if you follow the link that I've mentioned below. The Cashkaro cashback works only on desktop or the mobile website. It doesn't work on app. And the next very important point is the Cashkaro cashback will get instantly reflected onto your Cashkaro account. So allow it to 3 days of maximum time. If it doesn't get reflected in 3 days time, you can raise a complaint and the Cashkaro team will get back to you and you will instantly get your cashback. And also remember that the cashback will be confirmed only after 45 to 60 days after you purchase a product. In case if you return a product or exchange a product, you might not get cashback. Cashkaro app works only for Android. For iPhone users, there is no Cashkaro app, but you can use your Cashkaro on your Safari browser. It works seemingly well. Till date, I've almost earned about 10,000 rupees just by shopping Cashkaro, which is amazing, right? You're going to get amazing products at a very cheap price, and you're going to get cashback also for every single product you're going to buy at such an amazing price. Perfect for my channel, budget fashion and affordable fashion sorted with a lot of cashback, and you get more cash by shopping from Cashkaro as well. So I totally love the Cashkaro app and I'm thoroughly enjoying it, and my subscribers who are using Cashkaro also is like happy with the Cashkaro app. Now there is another amazing part. Cashkaro has started a WhatsApp group as well. So if you want to know when the offers are running, what offers will suit you the best, so I'm going to leave the number on the description tab below. All you have to do is just save up the number on your phone contacts and just get into WhatsApp and just send a hi or hello. You will start getting messages from Cashkaro about their deals and other offers that are running currently. Just make sure after you watch this video, go through the description tab and follow each and every link that I've mentioned there. You're going to get everything that I mentioned in today's video. And also take a minute to subscribe to my channel as well. It's absolutely free and you're going to get a lot of amazing informative videos on your mobile phone for free. For all of that, you just have to hit the bell icon with your name, my mail ID signed in. And I have actually started my second channel, which is an amazing channel that I'm going to make budget fashion for another language as well. So make sure you're checking my second channel out there. I'm going to put my link of my second channel as well on the description tab below. So do not forget to check out my second channel and do subscribe there also. And I have my Instagram, everything given down below. Just check out the description. You will find a lot of amazing gems out there. So any queries that you have, just leave it on the comments below and I'm going to help. So I hope you found this video really useful and informative. If yes, do not forget to like it and share it with every single girl out there, and come back to my channel again every Tuesday and Friday at 4 PM to find me with a brand new video. Till then, it's me Aditi signing off. Bye. One of the circle is for this current channel and the other circle is for my second channel. Take a second to hit on those circles. You're gonna get instantly subscribed to my channel for free so that you can get all my videos directly onto your phone for free. Thank you so much for staying around. Bye.